Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, it's the 30th of June, and I want to speak to those who are waiting on God and who are just waiting and saying, oh, I've been waiting. You are this far by faith. Ula umikhona, it is your faith, inkolo yakho. Ngiyakucela la umikhona ungayeki ukukhuleka. Ungayeki ukukhuleka. Ngisho noma ivunguvungu zingabe zivunguza kanjani, ungayeki ukukhuleka. Some people want to get confirmations because of, trust you me, when you are praying, God is listening. God is working on your behalf. Whether you feel it, whether you don't see it. Ukungayiboni kwakho, ukungayizwa lento ngemizwa yakho, it does not mean God is not working. If uyalala and you just like, angwabona amaphupho that are indicating goodness, God is working behind the scenes. He's quiet, and when he is quiet, he is at work. Have you seen that when you are busy showing a lot of visions, you speak about them, you share, you share. As you are sharing, the wrong ears are listening. The wrong ears already zikuloya ngenhliziyo. Hayi nangumuthi, already uyabanjwa ngenhliziyo. So when God now puts you in a position of waiting, kuthuleke ukuthi cwaka. Ngisho namaphupho ungasawaboni kahle, not to say your dreams are being blocked, but ufeel ukuthi there's just silence or whatever uyiphuphayo, it's just okay, normal visions, nothing hectic, nothing strange. Oh yes, God is silent. And some of you niyacindezelwa, niyajikijelwa, nithunyezwa ngezinto lezo. You are this far by faith. Umila umikhona, it is because of your faith. Ungakhathali ukukhuleka, qhubeka ukhuleke, uvule inhliziyo yakho and zikhumbuze ngazo zonke izinto umvelinqangi eseke ekwenzele zona, la uzithola ukuthi ubuthakathaka khona. Wokhumbula because of kule nyanga esingena kuyo. I just want people to be testifying about their faith, ukuthi ukuhlala kwami ku-faith kungenzele lokhu, kwangenzela lokhu, kwangenzela lokhu. I want us to come and say, nginobufakazi kimi. Ngeke uthule ngoba unobufakazi ngaphakathi kwena. And uma unabo ubufakazi ngisho namanje, please drop the comment. Please drop a comment and tell us your testimony. Stay in your faith. Walk by faith. Even though you don't feel, even though you don't see, trust you me, he is at work. To those who are being attacked, that is evident enough that God is working, because of the more you pray, the more you pray, the more you pray, the more ama-plans wabantu abangakufuni, iy'nhliziyo zabo lezi eziqinile ey'fasile, the more lezo y'bopho zabo ziqhaqheka, because of eqinisweni, when you are with God, uma uhamba naye umvelinqangi, faith, like ngathini, fear is unknown. Angithi uhamba naye uNkulunkulu, so you become faithful, and then ukwesaba kuvele nje kukuyeke. Other people will say this one is crazy, but you are so faithful in such a way that you feel that you've conquered the world. Inkinga zomhlaba, you just like, bring it on. Whatever ekumele ukuthi ngifikele mayingifikele, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu engimthembayo, uNkulunkulu engimkhulekayo uzongenzela. So I'm here today to say, you are this far by faith. Ungayeki ukukhuleka, qinisela, vula inhliziyo, uyakwenzela ngisho noma ungaboni, uyakwenzela ngisho noma ungezwa, noma ivunguvungu zingabe ivukuza lapho kuwena, kodwa khumbula ukuthi uyakwenzela, and at the right time things will definitely make sense. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Kanti futhi ngiyacela asingeneni kule nyanga entsha evikini elisha ngomusa wakhe, and uma ufila ukuthi akakakwenzeli or awukayiboni lento ofuna ukuthi akwenzele yona, praise him, pray. He is that God who changes situations in just few minutes, in just few seconds. So khuleka, praise, khuleka. La uthi ufikelwa khona imicabango emibi, la uthi ufikelwa khona nje yazini stress, choose to praise, choose to pray, choose to just worship. Use that time to just praise him, and then ubabaze nje amandla wakhe. That will keep you at peace. That will give you the blessings, because of each and every day has its own blessings. So ngiyacela, ngiyakunxusa, do not dwell kule micabango emibi emnyama. Do not dwell ukuthi yo kwaze kwaba mnyama. Do not dwell on those situations. Don't dwell. Ungahlali lapho ebumnyameni. Cha, ungavumi. Khuleka ngenhliziyo, khuleka. Uvule inhliziyo yakho, ube nokuthula, uwazi ukuthi usekwenzele yonke into. I love you so much, guys. Mwah.